Good evening, everyone. My name is Jakob Schneider, and my final project is a big data case study for analysis of application logs. Here, for my concept is that I took a MATLAB debug log, which looks like this. It has like a timestamp, it has a status, it has the feature of MATLAB and the user. Then I used Apache Spark with the Python API to find out use cases. So which features a user used, and then find out how often. Then I illustrated this whole thing with D3. Of course, I had to clean the data first, but let's jump right into the code. So here I filtered only the outs because those are the ones that count. And I created a map reduce job where I had as a key the user and the feature and a counter as value. Then I group the features by key, with the key is my user, to have like the user and the features that I used. So I already have the use cases. Now I get rid of the user and just make a group by key. The key is here the use case. So for instance, MATLAB Simulink and Stateflow in the end was used. This use case occurred 385 times. To illustrate the results, I used 3D, and here you can see that there are 3 use cases actually, which are 75%, and these 3 use cases only have 3 different features. So this is really interesting, and I think with this technique I could find out the result quite good. I used the console. This is quite nice because it's like an iterative process. It only gets a little bit challenging when you have lists. So I created lists, and then you have to be a little bit careful. But in the end, I was really happy about my result. Yeah, and I thank you for your time. Have a good night.